Nagpaplano ka ba na mag-apply ng US at Schengen visa soon? Alam mo ba that there is one underrated document that can actually strengthen your case na maaprubahan ng visa? At ito ay ang Life Insurance Certificate. Now you're wondering, bakit? Paano makakatulong ang insurance sa visa? Let me explain. Ano nga ba ang Life Insurance Certificate? Well, it's an official document from your insurance company that proves you're covered by life insurance. Nandun lahat ng details, yung policy number mo, yung coverage amount mo, and the proof that you're financially protected. But why does it matter to visa applications? Kapag nag-apply ka ng visa, embassies usually want to see two things. Number one, that you are financially responsible and capable of supporting yourself. Number two, that you have strong ties here in the Philippines. Meaning, may babalikan ka, may obligasyon ka, and that you're less likely to overstay. And guess what? Your life insurance proves exactly that. It shows you're financially stable. You have a long-term commitments here and that you're not someone who will just disappear abroad. So, kung naghahanda ka para sa US visa interview mo or you're planning to apply for Schengen visa, huwag mong kalimutan yan. Request a life insurance certificate from your insurance advisor. Minsan, it's that extra document that makes your application stronger and convincing. Remember, your life insurance is not just for protection, it's also a proof of your financial security and stability. So kung wala ka pang life insurance, maybe this is the right time to get one. Because life insurance can help you open doors for your future opportunities abroad. If you want to know more about life insurance or the life insurance certificate, message me and I will help you.